This is 2006 Mercedes. It was C230, and it was change light on. The first thing, change light on, and level sensor, and air pump. This air pump. Alright, the change light on and all those lights show out. So I tested this, no good. So I change it. This is a new one. I have the old one. It's right here. This is the old one. Okay. And also I find out the main problem is the fan no good. Okay. Okay, right here, the fan. The fan is turning, but it's no good. Okay. How do I find out? Let me show you right now. Okay. Okay, hold on. You know what is going on the whole day, and then definitely I find out this is the connector for the fan. Okay, for the fan. All right. And then I find out what. Let me show you right now. Let me take it out. Okay. Okay. Test it. It's showing negative, and on the top one, it's positive, and this one is negative. This one is negative power. Okay. So this negative, this positive. That means the line is good. And this negative, that means the car not yet start. So to start the car, and we're testing one more time. Okay, start the car. They should be changed. One is positive. Okay. Okay, right now we start the car. Before we have negative power here. So right now we get positive power. And this one is negative power. So that means the power, everything's good. So that means the fan no good. The fan by itself is no good. So I did change the fan. Thank you so much for your watching. Bye bye.